My name is David Meslam. I own Sunrift Electric. We've been in business for the last 3 years, and we've been using AMP products for its entirety. Given our previous experience with all of AMP's products, it seemed like a no-brainer to use the Secure line. With these new AMP products, they are significantly lighter than most of the products we had been using in the past. It's pretty much plug and play. The fixtures, they're much smaller, they're much lighter, and yet they still have the same outputs as the competitors that are, 2 to 3 times more heavy, require a lot more assembly, require more manpower to just physically be able to get it, off the pole in the lift and repaired. So the ease of installing these fixtures is a huge draw for us. You essentially can do it, by yourself. So to be able to control the CCT and the wattage really helps us in retrofitting aspects. So we're able to match adjacent fixtures of other brands with ease. Now, we don't need to special order, hunt down a very specific, wattage fixture or color. We can easily remove and replace and match what is there. So it's a game changer for emergency service calls. We can quickly repair customers' lighting and get it done in a timely manner. Price point is huge for us. It makes it an easier sell to our customers, an easier pill to swallow for them when they need to make these repairs. Working with AMP has been an awesome experience, from the customer service to the ease of ordering things from the website. The ability to have stuff next day or the day after is a huge deal for us. We're really pleased with all their products. We're really pleased with the customer service from AMP. My name is David Meslam. I'm an AMP Pro, and you should be too.